Our company, Shandong Qicheng Zhitong New Energy, is a leading professional manufacturer of new energy vehicle charging and discharging equipment, recognized as a national high-tech enterprise. In our products series, we have a full range models of AC and DC EV chargers, European standard as well as GBT standard. For AC EV charger, we have 7 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, and 22 kilowatts. The DC charger, we have a range of 60 kilowatts to 1,000 connector DC EV chargers. The output range from 60 kilowatts to 240 kilowatts. And the third one is our special model of EV charger, integrated AC and DC together. These are some special cases of our EV chargers. Pre-installed mobile EV charging cabinet. Our integrated system for energy storage, charging, discharging, and inspection system. The integrated charging station for solar power generation, energy storage, charging and discharging, comprehensive construction that can provide users with intelligent, efficient, economical, convenient, and high-quality service.